Hi, and welcome to Watercolor Landscapes for Beginners. In this class, I'll show you how to sketch and paint a watercolor landscape in as little as 30 minutes. I'll talk you through in real time the techniques I'm using, such as wet and wet and wet and dry. I'll also show you how to simplify and sketch a scene in pencil. Watercolor techniques are really important. To help familiarize you with the essential watercolor techniques, we'll be going through a variety of exercises and theory. This class is aimed towards beginners with 8 full landscape demonstrations, which I'll help guide you through step by step. There are scans, drawing, and tracing templates included for each demonstration to help you transfer your drawing over quickly and easily. In this class, I narrate my demonstrations in real time. I explain every technique I use in the context of the painting, such as layering into wet areas to paint shadows of a tree. I'll be going over the basics of wet and wet watercolor painting. I'll talk about what materials you need, your options, and which ones I use and recommend. If you have some brushes, watercolor paints, and paper, then you're set to go. So join me in this class. Let's create some beautiful watercolor paintings that you can be proud of.